Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am super excited because I am co-hosting the Winter Bar Cart collaboration for 2020. It is being hosted by one of my fantastic YouTube sisters, Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Now the details to this collaboration, it's very simple. You create or share a beverage of choice for the season and style out your bar cart for the winter, for Christmas, up to you. So guys, right now I'm going to share with you this non-alcoholic drink. I like making non-alcoholic drinks for my family because we do have kids in the family. So this is a simple, a very simple Christmas punch. So stay tuned. Alright, this punch is so easy. I'm kind of tweaking it a little bit, but I'll have the recipe down in my description box. You will need some orange juice, some ginger ale, and some cranberry juice, and some pineapple juice. But I walked in the store and I found it all in one, so I'm going to try this, alright? That's all the ingredients. So, you take, oops, here I go messing up again. Take 2 cups of the cranberry, and actually I'm going to do more since I didn't do the pineapple. I'm going to do 4 of this. I love making this Christmas punch. I guess if you wanted to alcohol it up, you could. I'm going to do 4. You really only need 2 cups of each, alright? 2 cups of cranberry, 2 cups of pineapple, 2 cups of orange juice, and 2 cups of ginger ale, alright? And I can really do this in a pitcher, but I want to do this in my beautiful dispenser. Because this is a staple on my bar cart. And also, if you could put these beverages in the refrigerator and let them chill and then make up this drink. Now I know this is going to go quick in my house. Probably should double this. I'm going to keep it like that. Alright, and that's it. Stir it together so all of those flavors will marry together and you have a delicious Christmas punch. So let's try it and see how it tastes. So right now let's try this drink out, shall we? Very good, very good. The only thing that I would tweak is using the cranberry juice separately and the pineapple juice separately if you want a very sweety taste, alright? But this is really delicious. So right now I will take my beverage dispenser to my bar cart and share with you my bar cart styling. So stay tuned. So here is my bar cart for the winter 2020. So let me show you around. Now this bar cart is in my living room, dining room combo. And what I have done, I have placed this beautiful metal piece that I picked up from at home, I think last year. It wasn't silver. I spray painted it silver, and I actually found two. It comes in a Tuscan brown color. And I embellished, of course, the greenery that they had on it by adding the poinsettia and that little red berry shiny pick on the end. I may take it off and do a little bit more, but we'll see. But it will work for now. My other one I may spray paint gold or leave as is. But I thought this was so pretty. Moving down to my bar cart. The actual bar cart came from Amazon. I do have it linked in my Amazon store. I spray painted this also. It was gold and I spray painted it silver. Starting at the right and moving left, I have my bling tree that I picked up a couple of years ago from Ross. Those glasses there, I have 3 sitting here, but I do have 4. That was gifted to me by my sister-in-law. The dispenser came from Amazon, and it is a staple on my bar cart. I leave it there all the time. I do have a larger one than this also, but this one here stays on the bar cart. Now this tiered tray came from my mother-in-law for my birthday, and I had to place it here and put some goodies on it. Bar carts aren't just for beverages. You can serve appetizers and desserts, whatever you like. So I have crackers and cheese, some candy canes, some pretzels, and some more cheese here. You can serve whatever you like, and I love the tiered stand that gives me height to do that. And of course I love adding a festive touch to it by placing a swag on the corner. And that's 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces there. So if you would like for me to share with you how I make those, very simple, I'll do that. And on the second level, I have my bling reindeer, added a piece of ribbon, and of course, some Totally Dazzle bling. Every chance I get, I love to add Totally Dazzle, especially during the holidays. And Totally Dazzle has a assorted bag with different brooches in it. You will love it. Now my reindeer is sitting on something that I always love to pull out, and that is my red bling turntable that I picked up a couple of years ago from Home Goods. When I came across that turntable, it was a must-have for me. And I placed another sprig there, or picks, with that red poinsettia to dress up that reindeer. Now those glasses there and that decanter in the back was a thrift find, a recent thrift find, and I ended up breaking one of the glasses. So I am in search for one more. The decanter in the front is also a thrifted find. But that is it on my bar cart, and I'm loving it. I am loving this styling. If you've been following me, you know how much I love the silver tones. I love crystal, and of course that pop of red with those poinsettias. I love it. And I also have to add just a little bling. Alright, you know me, right? But I would like to thank Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget for asking me to co-host this with her. I've been doing it for this year, and I have been enjoying every moment of it. Marilyn was the reason why I purchased my bar cart for my living room. So I'm blaming it on you, Marilyn. Please go over to Marilyn's channel, show her some love, tell her that Kimberly sent you, as well as take a look at the playlist. Marilyn's link and the playlist link will be listed in my description box down below. If you want to be inspired with bar carts and some of these things that these ladies will be doing, you can use this in other areas as well. Get inspired by these ladies. You will love them. Again, all of the links will be in my description box down below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store, which is perfect for this time of year. You can do a lot of Christmas shopping there, shopping for your family, your friends, yourself, your home, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, you already know I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and be safe out there. I'll talk to you real soon.